What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's happening, loves? Welcome. I am your girl, Tonyanicole, and welcome, guys, to my channel. Today, loves, we have the box by Fashionsta to unbox, and we finally got it within the month, so I'm very excited. So if you guys want to see what's in March's box, stay right there. Don't move, boo. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. What's up, my loves? Welcome. I appreciate you guys clicking that button and checking your girl out. Today, y'all, we are doing the box by Fashionsta, and I am just so excited we actually got it in the month. So, yeah, boo, we're going to be cracking this baby open in a few. Before we do this, though, we got to give our shout-outs, babe, to my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all. The drink today is a little red wine still. Let's take a dance break and a drink break. Ooh. I hope you guys are enjoying our new schedule, which is Tuesdays and Saturdays, 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. I find that my videos are doing much better now that I upload them later on in the day and also the weekend. So I think the Tuesday, Saturday actually is working out really good for me and you guys. Y'all seem to be loving it. So thank you guys so much for all of your support. Now, boo, let's get to what y'all came for. This dance show. Okay, I'm gonna make it quick, y'all. I'm gonna just stop. All right, loves. So this is the box by Fashionsta. This one is a beauty subscription. It's $24.99 per month with free shipping. You're going to get 5 to 7 full-size products in this little box right here. And the value is supposed to be in between $100 and $150. So the value usually is always there. I actually kind of like this box a lot because I think that they introduce us to a lot of brands that are actually really good, brands I've heard of, brands I haven't heard of. And yeah, they give you makeup and skincare, which you know is your girl's dream. So without further ado, let's get this drink and this box on and popping, boo. All right, then. When we open her up, boo, that's what she's looking like on the inside. We do get a card right here, and it is Marchology, Reveal Your Inner Warrior. So what would be your warrior name? Oh, please pause this video, drop down in the comments, and let me know your warrior name. I'm thinking mine would be something like, I don't know. I need to find me a good warrior name, but y'all drop down and let me know what your warrior name would be. All right, on the back here, it gives us a list of products as well as prices. And y'all know I'm going to let y'all guys know that I'm going to put the total towards the end of the video. And we're going to stop talking and we're going to get to unboxing. Oh, okay. All right. I'm seeing a lot of things that's looking pretty good for you, girl. Oh, let's pull this out first. Boom. Oh, its waist, it leaked a little bit. Oh, I'm glad they have it in this little plastic bag, though. So that's a point, an extra point for you, the box, for putting it, or Green Grass for putting it in this little bag, because if not, my other products would have been ruined. All right, guys. So this is from Green Grass. It is a sweet clementine dry oil spray. It's a multi-use spray for your body, face, and hair. It's formulated with a blend of high-quality oils for superior moisture and soft skin without feeling greasy. There we go right there. Let's open it up and see. All right. Ooh, it's a little slippery. So that's what the bottle looks like right there, my loves. In here, you get 4 fluid ounces of product. This is inspired by Spain. Fragrance number 5. Okay, let's see. Oh, girl. Now this, oh, wait, this does. It smells really, really good. Oh, so it says back here, for body, you're going to spray and massage oil directly onto your skin. For your hair, you're going to spray the oil into the palms and run it through the tips of your hair. Okay. And for your face, you're going to spray it on your hands and apply it to your face as needed. Let me take the top off and see how it sprays. Okay, so that's how it looks when it sprays out. Let's put a little bit. Oh, I can always use that. Even though it's a dry oil spray, it's still very moisturizing. I think that's the point, right? Oh, yeah, girl. All righty. I like that. Oh, it smells so good. I will definitely be using this on my hair. Yeah, babe. It smells really good. I like this. This right here, loves, retails for $36. Next up, we have from Sahara Rose, and this is the I Am a Treasure Hydra C Serum right there. In here, you get 1 fluid ounces of product. It says, let's see what it says. It has vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, triple peptide, vegetable ceramides, moth bean, watermelon, carrot, cactus, and mushroom. Alrighty, it's a concentrated serum that contains antioxidant-rich, stabilized vitamin C and a combination of fruit, enzymes, and nutrients. This glow-boosting blend works together to reveal bright, radiant skin. This formula is also enriched with concentrated hyaluronic molecules to hydrate, plump, and help revive tired, dull complexion. Oh, girl, I'm tired from reading all that. All right, so that's what the box looks like. Let's take it out. So it seems like a very vitamin-rich skin serum. Ooh, look how pretty. There we go, right there. I'm not gonna open it because I'm using some vitamin C on my face now. And yes, I don't wanna open this one, but I am happy to get this. This right here, my loves, is $54 for 1 fluid ounce of product. Wow. Wow, okay. I can always use some vitamin C on my face, so I ain't mad with it. All right, let's do this next. So this is from Lip Love? Let's see. Yes, this is from Lip Love. It is a liquid gloss. It is a versatile product that can be worn as a gloss, highlight, or eye color liner. Oh, wow. For a natural glow that moisturizes and balances your skin. This right here, my loves, retail for $12. So it is a gloss, a lip gloss. It's a highlighter, and it's an eye color or an eyeliner. Oh, wow. All right. So this is what we are looking like outside of the box, that little plastic box. I don't smell anything. That's the little applicator there. Put a little bit on my hand. Wait, let me dip it again. Doesn't really show up on my skin, so I'm not sure. Okay, we're going to put some on our lips, though. Let's see. Okay, it's hydrating. I didn't notice any much of like a difference in the color of my lips from what I previously had on. So, all right. I don't know how well this would work as a highlighter or an eye color because it kind of like disappears into nothing, but you can always use it as like a lip oil or lip gloss. So, okay, cool. $12, guys. All right, next up we have from Medusa's Makeup, and this is the Witch Lash Thickening Mascara. I used to be subscribed to Medusa. They had a subscription box. I don't know if they still do, but the products were okay. I just found that it wasn't really worth the money for the amount and value of stuff that you got. But they used to have some really good like eyeshadows for sure. I remember that. All right, guys, so let's open this up. This is what the packaging is looking like. I am not going to open this because I have a lot of mascaras already. It's a black mascara, and this one right here, guys, retails for $14, and it is waterproof. It says Witch Lash Mascara El Gato Negro. This is the Black Cat Super Thickening Waterproof Mascara with fuller bristle brush right there. Okay, 14 bucks. Up next, we have from LA Splash, and this is, what is this? A lip liner. Wait, it's a dual-sided lip pencil and sponge eraser. Oh, wow. That's what it's looking like right there, my loves. That's the box. We have the shade 04. Oh, this is very pretty. Wow. All right, that's what we're looking like outside of that little box. One side is the sponge eraser right there. I guess when you make a little mistake, you can like get perfectly down and like line that up. Okay. And then the other side is the pencil side. And y'all know we got to swatch it. Ooh, this is gorgeous. Oh my God. Can y'all see? Let me make it a little bigger. That's it right there. That is beautiful. Let me put some on. Now, my lips are really greasy, so it's probably not going to show up, but it is a beautiful, beautiful color. I do like that. I am happy to see this in the box. I really am. This right here, guys, retails for $10. All right, we're down to our final product, and it is a palette. First of all, this palette is so bomb. It is the Athena palette from Ditto Cosmetics. There we go right there. She is definitely a fierce warrior. And let me tell y'all, I need to find me a warrior name. So if y'all could think of any warrior names that you think would best suit your girl, let me know. I'm thinking like Bodacious Warrior. So we slide it out. That's what it looks like. And this is a 16 highly pigmented matte and striking shimmers. So let's see. We get a mirror. Hey, boo. The mirror is huge, if you guys can see that. And oh my goodness, y'all. This is the palette. Tell me that is not giving you some kind of warrior princess type vibes. Fierce and bold, yet subtle and soft. I love it. Oh, I love this palette. I have to swatch this. Let me swatch it with this hand. Oh, we got to do this shade. It's beautiful. Those are a few of the shades swatched out. Very nice. That's one swipe each, guys. Very nice. I am definitely feeling this baby. I love it. I absolutely love it. Let me see what this little price is, though. So this is from Ditto Cosmetics. This is the Athena 16 color palette. Retails for $29. Okay. All right, the box. Let me take a little drink. So that was our final product in this month's The Box. Let's quickly recap, do final thoughts, and we're gonna be done. From Ditto Cosmetics, this Athena palette here. From Lip Love, this liquid gloss. From LA Splash, this lip liner. From M Green Grass, this dry oil spray. From Sahara Rose, this hydrating vitamin C brightening and plumping serum. And from Medusa's, this mascara. So these 6 products are right here, my loves. And the total retail value is $155 for this month. Final thoughts. Final thoughts is I thought The Box completely hit it out the park this month. They gave us 2 skincare products, 2 products which I am very, very, very excited to start using and trying out. And then they gave us four makeup products: mascara, palette, lip liner, and a lip gloss. Like, I mean, what more can you ask for in a subscription? This is what I'm talking about. Boxycharm, take notes from this. They gave us 4 makeup products out of 6 products. Then the skincare products are actually products that I'm excited to use. Makeup products are nice. That palette is gorgeous. The lip liner is beautiful. What else we got? The mascara. I know the mascara is probably going to be good. And the lip gloss. Okay, I didn't really see a big difference with the lip gloss, but it makes a glossy look on my lips. So I'm mad. So I think they knocked it out the park for this month. If I had to rate it on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, 3 in the damn shit, I don't know. To find me this box at thebox.com, boo, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to give the box for the month of March a solid 4, maybe even a 4.5. Y'all, I really enjoyed this month's box. I do love that we get makeup and skincare, more makeup than skincare, which is perfect for your girl. So I'm pleased. Let me know what your thoughts are down in the comments. Let me know if you're feeling the 4 makeup products and 2 skincare products. I know a lot of my subscribers are skincare junkies, but this one I think is a nice little balance. Yes, my love. So I'm interested to see what you have to say. Don't forget to subscribe to your girl. Follow me on Instagram as well as Twitter. All of that is down below. I will see you guys in my next video and in the comments. So yeah, boo, I'm going to go lay down now. Y'all have a blessed day.